Hey y'all, how's everyone doing? I am going to show you a item that I recently got, and I think I'm going to return it, but I wanted to at least show it to you first. It's pearls, and I'll tell you one of the reasons I haven't been filming is I have been sick with bronchitis, so if I cough a lot, that's why. And I know I don't look fantastic right now, but you know, it is what it is. I did the best I could for today. And that's all we have to do. Even on YouTube, I don't think we always have to look like we're ready for a commercial. I'm just a real person, just like y'all. So, my hair's brushed, makeup on. That's about as much as I can do today. But I did want to share this with you. This is the Pearl Source, and I'll link it below. I don't get any kind of a discount or anything. I'm not affiliated in any way. It's not a infomercial or a sponsored video. I wanted to show you this because I think even the packaging being this pearlized pink color with a strand of pearls on it, even though that implies to the people who are delivering this is pearl jewelry, it is pretty. Alright, and then when you open it, it's just a very nice matte black piece. And then it says the Pearl Company on it in rose gold metal, which is very nice. So what I'm thinking is if I gifted this, this would be really, really nice. And then when you open it here, again, just look at the detail, the rose gold plaque, the Pearl Source. We've got something perfect for you. Now what I'm thinking is, I was thinking I might get rid of this, but for me, it's too small. The pearls are 5 to 6 millimeter. I thought that was a little bigger, but apparently it's not. And my style is a little more flashy. The pearls are high quality. It's 6.5 to 7 inches, but believe it or not, I guess from bones and arthritis or whatever, it is very, very tight. Like it could pop. It's so tight on my wrist. So I was going to return it. Again, let me get it really up close so you can see the quality of the pearls. Is that just beautiful? Now that is the ivory. I almost got the pink hue. You also can get the bright white. I feel like ivory looks the most natural, goes with the most. But I do have some pink pearl earrings my husband got me from Charleston. And so that might have been the way to go. And if I do get a pearl bracelet for me, or maybe I'll ask him, would he like to get it to me, give it for my birthday or Christmas or something, to go with the pink. It's kind of a peachy pink. But the more I'm looking at this, the more I'm thinking what might be really nice here is, what a great graduation gift or something for someone who's got a smaller wrist. So what do y'all think? Maybe I do keep it. I need to go recheck the price. I'll be honest, I don't remember. Obviously when I do the link below, y'all can look that up for yourselves as well. But I don't know. I did want to share it with you because I feel like that it's a very high quality. I feel like the opening packaging experience, which to me is half of the experience. And those people would say, well, that's ridiculous. No, because actually, you know what? This was actually inside an outer piece because I just realized there's no label on this. So that wouldn't have shown up in the mail. So that is good. Anyway, packaging to me, in any business I've ever been a part of, packaging was kind of secondary until I got into cosmetics and handbags and things like that, where how they present it to you. I'm sorry, y'all, I'm on a lot of medications. I almost just yawned in your face. I'm on like a nebulizer budesonide, which is something that stins your albuterol inhaler, which is, for asthma and upper respiratory illnesses, and then you do the nebulizer machine and it extends that over a period of hours. Then I'm on steroids and I'm on Mucinex and I'm on Benadryl to try to dry up all the mucus. So I'm on so many drugs right now that I'm either super jittery or falling asleep in your face. So please forgive me. And I covet your prayers. Anyway, I feel like packaging says how much someone cares. I do. I feel like some of the handbags that I've opened, like the Aspinall of London, or Strawberry, no, who was the other one? The Hammond bag. Oh my gosh, they had all these little balls of really pretty tissue, the heavy kind of tissue, balls all the way around it to make sure that it was in place. But when you open it, first of all, it says this thing is not shifted 1 inch. Second of all, it was pretty. I mean, it was pretty to open. Some had satin backgrounds. Some had like overlay messaging on top of unbox this or something like that, which kind of to you too, it kind of tells you that they understand that piece of the pie. I am definitely impressed when someone does something like that in packaging. So the packaging definitely did impress me. The quality of the pearls impressed me. For me, I'd like a larger pearl and more length. For pearls, to me, it should hang. It should not be taut. Because it is string, knotted string, and you can lose them. I mean, they'll just pop. So, anyway, I thought I would share that with y'all. What do y'all think? Do y'all like pearls? Comment below. Do you feel pearls are a classic, meaning they're from old school and they're for the future? They're modern and sophisticated looking, plus they're vintage and romantic looking. What do you feel about pearls? You think pearls are done, or you think pearls will always be around? And if so, comment which of the 3 colors, or actually 4 colors, do you like? Do you like the white pearl, an ivory pearl, a rosy or peachy pink pearl, or they also have the Tahitian, which is like a black oil spill, kind of a sheen to it, but it's a black pearl. So, but it's pearlized pearl, if you know what I mean. All right. I look forward to your comments below. I really would appreciate your prayers. And I love you guys. I'm so sorry I'm so inconsistent on regular uploading. Y'all know I've done that for years, being very consistent almost daily. I hope that you'll cut me a little slack and help me as I try to help myself get back into regular uploading, because I've realized I really do love the interaction with y'all. I love YouTubing. I really do. So anyway, I'll talk to y'all again soon. Bye!